Okay. Next we have about file related command. Okay. So, hope you remember we can create a file using echo. Yes or no? So, what is the cat? What is the cat will do? Print the display the content, right? So, whatever there inside the particular directory or file, it will display. So, now so far what we discussed, that was directory related command. So, we discussed starting basic Unix command, then we discussed about directory command. Now, we have file related command. So, what are the file related command? We have the file related command like cat, mv, rm, then cv, wc, then od. These are the command for the file related. So, in the examination if they ask answer for any 5 file related command with syntax and example. So, you should write each and every defined syntax example, it should be there. Then only you will get 10 of 10, otherwise they will not give. If you write only theoretical, they will not give. So, make sure you write example correctly. So, now, so I want to create a file, right. So, how to create the file? Okay. I want to create a file. How to create? So, either you can use echo, either you can use nano. But here what I am showing you, if you look at here on the screen, I am using cat and what operator it is? Okay. Now, I have to create a file, right. So, what I have to do, I am going to do cat, okay. What was there? Is it correct? What happened? Not in the, why is giving error? See here, is it correct? Is it correct, guys? Huh? Correct? Then why file is not created? We are not in a directory, we are there in a test directory. Okay, let me come to now. So, cat will not give this time a space, test I will give double T. See now, it is working now, right. So, there should be no space. Now, if I type good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night and sleep tight. Okay. So, see, I am writing the command, I am able to create a file, right. Please have a look here on the screen, then you practice. I am creating a file with the name test, double T I have given. So, might be test will be there. So, now what I want to exit, I want to save. What happened? You can see that there is no, it is not coming like the command to write, it is asking me to write the text. D if you type, that means it is exited now. And if I type now cat space test, it will give me the entire result. Clear? Now, if I want to check get the line number 1, 2, 3, 4 for every single line, then what I will do, I will use cat space, I have to give option. What is the option? -n space, what is the name of the file, directory or file, I will give this. Now, it will give you the result with the line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many line is there? It will give you with the line number. Even you can create multiple, even you can display multiple file at information at a time. So, you have to give cat space directory 1 space directory 2. Okay, what I discussed here, if you want to see the line number, even you can use by giving -n. It will give you the, okay, clear? So, during the echo command, we discussed that greater than symbol, it is called as redirection operator. Okay. Now, we have another, if you want to copy, right, copy the content of one file or directory to copy to another, then you have to use, similarly syntax is cat directory 1 redirection operator and directory 2, then it will copy it, then check with the cat. Now, if you want to add any content, right, so you have one directory, something is written, you are writing another directory where you are going to add some information, so at the end it will get added. And if you want to, like, single file of the content should be copied into multiple file, then also you can do that. So, you have to write first multiple directory. So, cat T1 space T2, both you want to copy into some other directory, then redirection operator, and then you are going to give the directory, new directory, that is T4. So, that is what it is mentioned over here. So, if you want to copy the content, right, so it is saying that you have to copy the content from one to another one. So, I have already created cat test 1, right. So, what is the command I said? How to copy? What is the directory? What is the command? I will write tst, okay. Done. This command just be executed. Now, if I type cat tst, it will give me the same result. So, copy is done. So, one to another one, copy is done, right. Now, what happened? I have directory 1. So, cat, okay, I have test, I have tst, I want to copy multiple content, right, into another directory. I will write, tstT I will give, done, command is executed. That means, both content of this directory has copied into another directory called tstT. So, let me check test cat tstT, enter, you can see that it is repeated because we have copied both directory the data, what is the content is there, we have copied and pasted over there. So, even you want to copy at the end, that also you can do that.